Hello, this is Mark from MWB Arts, and today I am doing an unboxing. I'm part of the ATC design team for the ArtSherpa ATC design team, and we are unboxing the boxes we received. That the 6 members of the design team are all got a box, and I think each one's going to be unique this time. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. And also I'll be revealing the theme today, and so you can start going out there and creating your cool ATCs and having fun. And the whole purpose of the design team boxes is for us to get a fresh look at maybe some new materials we've never used before, or maybe it's materials we have used before, but something else, maybe something that somebody else hasn't used before. And so then we used, a good percentage of this box. I'm going to try to use, for my goal, to use about, a good percentage, 95% of the box of what comes in it, to create my ATCs and share with you. But I'll be doing that in a future video. But this one is just the unboxing and sharing what the theme is today. So I received this in the mail just the other day, and I'm getting a chance to open it up now, and I'm going to share it with you for the first time. Okay, so it came in a big box here, and everything is packaged very nicely in bubble wrap. Ooh, there we go. So, ooh, very cool. So, I received today in the mail also the ArtSherpa's limited, they are the palette knife set, and also her, what are they called, scrumblers or pounce set, that's the word, pounce set. And you can see those there. I get that underneath. I'll move this box out of the way. So, wow, this is awesome. And now I'm going to open up this here, and oh my word, oh, so cool. Look at this. I mean, they even went out of their way. I mean, it's a hand-built box. It's got legs on it, and it's got the hinges on it, and it's even got my name on it. I mean, wow, this is great. Thank you, Cinnamon John, so much. And on the other side of this box, oh, oh my word, it's locked. So to get inside this box, looks like I need to cut away the key here so I can open it up with the key here. So I got some my Leatherman that I carry with me at all times. I'll just use that to cut the little tie off of it. There we go. And wow, look at that. This fancy key. I don't know if you can see it that well. Oops. Yeah, so maybe I can hold it up to this one here for you. It's just this little tiny key. And let's see here what side it goes on that side, looks like. And oh, that's clever. You push on it, and it pushes the mechanism out. You don't have to turn it. It's just a release by pushing the key into the hole there, and it pushes out the pin. So now I got the pin out. Yeah, oh, I want to save this. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. I mean, this is awesome. How they built this box. I mean, it's got this painted. It's kind of a green. I don't know if this camera is doing justice or not, but it's kind of a green tinge to it, and then it's got this gold spray paint all over it. Let's see if I can get to the right lighting here. Or maybe I can hold it up to the other camera. Oh, that's not going to work because it's on green screen mode. So I'll hold it up to that camera. And if I get it to the right lighting so you can see the gold. There's a little bit of that gold on there. See it there? That's awesome. So now inside this box. Ooh. Oh my word. Look at this. When I open the box, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can catch that underneath the camera. There's this, I opened it up and it hooked onto the lid, is this cool lantern. Oh, that's so cool. And it's got a light bulb in it and everything. And it's like a pewter type lantern, old-fashioned lantern, and it's got some weight to it. Oh my word, this is so thought out. Oh, this is awesome. And wait, there's even a cord hooked up to it. So I'm guessing, well, I see the cord to hold it in place, or there really is power to this thing. Oh, it's going around the lid. Oh man, I bet you there is. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little farther and see if there's a light switch or something, but it's looking like a light switch or something. This is so cool. So anyway, just to let you know, the design team is a member of seven members total, counting Cinnamon. But so I will have the list and all of their contact information where you can find them on their social media sites in the description down below. And each of them, also of the 7 members, will be opening up a box that will have a special design box just for them, is what I was told. It's going to be a special design. Oh, that's what it is. It's got a little trigger on the thing. When you open the door, the light comes on, I believe. I can't tell. Maybe it's just too bright in here if the light came on, or the battery popped loose or something, but I will double check all that down below and see. Oh yeah, I think the battery just came loose, so I will have to hook that up for you and test it out again. There's even a battery included. This is so cool. Okay, so it looks like, oh, I don't know if you can see that. It is acrylic gouache. There's primary black, there's primary cyan, there's primary yellow, there is primary magenta, and there is primary white. So I got a gouache set for 3 colors in white and black, and they are all from Acryla. This gouache set, Holbein, so it's Holbein products. So, oh wow, so I think, and I was told that Holbein was going to be, I'm not sure if they're sponsoring or if they've donated or Cinnamon John bought this. I'll have to double check on that information again. But Holbein is the products that we're receiving this time to do a lot of this, our painting. So what I got in my set is a gouache set. And I don't know if the rest of them are going to be getting something else, but this is so cool. And inside here, oh, the battery, there's the other battery, so it just fell out. Okay. I will have to find the lid for that, so I can have fun testing out that box here. So inside here, I got the confetti, and oh my word, so it's a treasure chest, right? And it's got all these little rubies, gems and stuff like that. And just fill up with all the confetti and stuff. Oh, there's the light switch. I mean the battery. There we go. Let me put that battery back in there again. There we go. The case came off. There we go. So now I got that on, and oh, let me double check this here. Plus up. The theme is for this month's ATC club is medieval. And now you can do whatever you want. You can use any medium you want. Watercolor, gouache, pastels, color pencils. But hey, if you want to play along, you can see if you can find a gouache set you may already own, or find a gouache set, from Holbein, and purchase some, and maybe just do a 3-color challenge also, and use the blue, the cyan, and the yellow, and create something with your ATCs, but use the theme of medieval. And now I got a personal challenge that was from Cinnamon and John, is to do mine between the 11th and 15th century. So I will be doing that. Oh, there it goes. Yes. So when you open this treasure chest up, there's a little tiny light that comes on the lantern. That's so cool. Let's see, there you can see the glow. I will pop that button again. So in the closed position of it, it looks like that. And then when it comes on, when I open it, it lights up. Can you see that? That's so cool. That is so special. Wow. Thank you so much, John and Cinnamon, for this. This is great. And I'm already getting ideas of what I'm going to be doing for my theme. And I'll be sending in 2 of my ATCs. And I would love to see what everybody else is doing too. And hope to get somebody else's in the mail. And hope that they enjoy what I send in. I'll be sending 2 in, and if you're a paid member also of the 10 months every 3 months, or $10 every 3 months, you too can receive 2 in return, and you will turn in 2 of your ATCs. And if you're a member of $10, you send in 2. You don't need to send any loose stamps, and just keep it under the ounce, I think it is, on your for your postage to send it in. You weigh it yourself. If it weighs a little bit more, then just send it up to send it along its way. But and if you're not a paid member, you can still do the 1 a month, and that one you have to put a loose stamp in also. So have fun with this, and wow, this is great. I mean, this thing is just full of, oh my word, confetti and rubies. I mean, there's this thing's full, look at all these. Yeah, it's like a very cool treasure. And thank you, John and Cinnamon, for creating this awesome box and taking the time to put all this together to share with us. And remember the theme now. It is medieval. And have fun. And I'd love to see what everybody's creating. And take care, everyone. And remember to put some color on your ATC and your canvas, and enjoy the process, and just have fun with art. I mean, I love art so much. I mean, I've only been really getting into the art for, I guess it's been 4 years now, but about 4 years now and more so. And wow. So take care, everyone, and hope to see what everybody's creating real soon. And thank you again, John and Cinnamon. And make sure and check out the description for the rest of the design team members that will be creating, and also sharing the unboxing of what they got. I can't wait to see what they got also, because I think each one of these boxes are supposed to be personalized and different. So we'll find out. And thanks again for all of the gouache and the pouncers and all of the palette knife set here, which is awesome. Thank you so much, and we'll be seeing you guys again real soon. Remember to subscribe, like if you like this video, and check out my other videos that I have here, and some of my other ATC design team videos that I have from previous months. And check out all the rest of the members here also, and leave a comment if you want to see more of things that I create with just ATCs in general, or other art that you see on my channel, and enjoy. Thanks for being here. Bye.